Hi everyone, Deb here. This is the final color combo video that I'll be putting up for the year. It should be December 31st when this is airing, but I made the project in November. So I went a little different. In November, I used one large Memories and More card, but for today, I used 5 of the small cards and envelopes. And also, I was inspired by 2 cards actually. Well, first I went and I searched for stamp sets and dies or punches that I thought I would like, and for these small cards, and I thought these flowers would be ideal, or this one stamped, which I didn't use, but these two go with the flower and leaves punch. So that's what I used. And then the colors this month were Pale Papaya, Real Red, and Polished Pink. So kind of bright, springy colors. That's what made me think flowers. So I was inspired by this card, which had 2 pieces of paper cut on the diagonal next to each other, but they offset it a little. I did not do that. And then this card, which actually looks like a sort of a stenciled watercolor background. Maybe it's not, I don't know. And they actually stamped the flowers in, looks like white ink on cardstock, colored cardstock. But I did use on the first 3, with the diagonal though, this Life is Better with Friends Like You. So this idea here with the flowers around it I liked. And then on the last 2, I stamped a sentiment right on the card, and it was, they don't show it here, it was the little card, Big Thanks. So let me bring in the cards and show you what I did. Okay, so here's the other thing. I remembered I had bought the In Color DSP for 21 to 23. Sorry for the crinkling, to get the air out. And it has the Polished Pink and Pale Papaya in, but I don't have the Regals, and it also has this pretty little floral design. So that inspired me also. But I didn't have that in Real Red. I have this retired designer series paper, and this heart is Real Red. I think that's actually Blushing Bride, but it's okay. Close enough to Pale Papaya. So I used that. So here we go. Let me move this. Card number 1. Card number 2. Card number 3. And I just punched out of the papers with the punch the little flowers. And then the gems I used in the middle were actually these from the gnome set, the fine sparkle adhesive back gems. This is actually Calypso Coral, but I thought it went okay in the Pale Papaya flowers. And then the other 2, I used the Pale Papaya larger gems for the red and the pink flowers. So that's the first 3. And then the second 2, I didn't want to cut another sheet of this paper, and I had some scraps in the other paper, the snail paper, that had Real Red lines in it. So I did the same thing. I cut a 3x4 piece of paper, and then I just put it in my trimmer. So anyway, here I stamped with Real Red. Oh, here I stamped with Polished Pink. Here I stamped with Real Red, little card, Big Thanks, right on the card. And on this one down at the bottom, and then I just put the 3 flowers on this one going along the stripe. I think they came out really cute. So let me know what you think. It's a nice little set of cards that I can either just grab them and send something in with, you know, goodies or something to friends, or just to say thank you. Little card, Big Thanks. I thought that was appropriate for these little cards. So yeah, there you go. That's my project on December 31st, trying to get ready for some cheeriness, because I think we're probably by that time seeing some colder weather. I have some glue on there, I think I have to get off. Sorry, hate when I do that. I have a glue eraser. Anyway, you get the idea. So yeah, I think they came out really cute. And pretty fast too. Maybe took me, I'll say an hour, but that included decision making and stuff on what to use. So once I got going, it really didn't take long at all. I mean, punching is bloop, bloop, and I didn't even layer the flowers, so it really didn't take long at all. I didn't want them to be super dimensional because they're going to go in these little envelopes and, you know, go with something else. You can't mail these by themselves, I don't think. I'm pretty sure not. So these will be like for in packages. Alrighty, take care. Have a great day, week. Happy New Year. These are not Happy New Year cards, but I was feeling flowers with those colors that I had pre-chosen. And like I said, this is the final month. Pale Papaya, Real Red, and Polished Pink. And I did use Stampin' Up! Everything, but some of it retired. So, Happy New Year, everyone. Take care. Be safe if you're going partying or whatever. I don't do that anymore. Sometimes I don't even have a drink at the New Year. Or it might be non-alcoholic something, and my son and I toast if he wakes me up. Anyway, take care. Bye.